What are the potential risks of relying on RAG for high-stake applications like healthcare or legal advice? Answer: relying on retrieval augmented generation RAG for high-stakes applications like healthcare or legal advice can be risky due to several reasons. One major concern is the potential for inaccurate or outdated information. If the data retrieved is incorrect or not up to date, it can lead to erroneous advice, which can have serious consequences in fields like healthcare or law. For instance, in healthcare, incorrect advice can result in misdiagnosis or delayed treatment, while in law, it can lead to incorrect legal counsel or even wrongful convictions. Another risk is the model's limited ability to understand the complexities of specific cases or medical conditions fully. While RAG can pull relevant documents, it may struggle to capture the subtleties of a particular situation, leading to incomplete or ambiguous advice. In legal contexts, the model may miss crucial details or jurisdictional differences, leading to generalized advice that needs to be legally sound. Furthermore, the need for more transparency in the model's decision-making process raises concerns about accountability, especially in areas where explanations for decisions are legally or ethically required. In addition, RAG models may also be biased by the data they are trained on, which can perpetuate existing social and economic inequalities. For example, if the training data is biased towards a particular demographic or socioeconomic group, the model may be more likely to provide biased advice or recommendations. This can have serious consequences in fields like healthcare, where biased advice can lead to unequal treatment or outcomes. Overall, while RAG has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach high-stakes applications, it is essential to carefully consider the potential risks and limitations of this technology before relying on it for critical decision-making.